Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Byrne from Pectus.com. In today's video, I've got some really exciting updates and news for you guys that I wanted to bring to you. Exciting things are happening for PectusPT and trying to grow this business and help you guys and make it as awesome as possible, bring you guys as much content and help as many people. And so I've made some changes to my business and I'm really excited to announce them to you. So the first change is, a lot of people have been wanting to sign up to my coaching and they haven't been able to because of the price. And the reason the price was quite high is because I spend a lot of time with each client making sure they get an amazing result, checking in on them. It's coaching, it's not just a program. Now, I'm not a fan and I haven't offered just a program because I think an important part of being a good coach and helping you guys fix your pectus is the actual coaching part, guiding you through that, giving you tips and information, or at least answering questions you have. So what I've created is a basic coaching offer. And with basic coaching, basically you have access to my email support. You can email me personally and I will reply to any questions, but I won't be checking in on you. There won't be the accountability, but because of that, it enables me to have a lower price because it's just email support to any questions you have. So I've got basic coaching now as an offer and it's half the price of premium coaching. So if you've been interested in signing up but price has been holding you back, then now's a really good time to sign up. So the link is in description to learn more about that and get signed up. So I wanted to let you guys know about that. And it's opened up a lot more client spots because I'm not spending so much time per client. So yeah, guys, jump on in, link in description, sign up. I would love to coach you and provide the program for you so you can fix your pectus. As you've seen, it works. You've seen my results. You've seen my clients' results. Once you apply yourself, you'll get a great result. And so I'm excited to be able to expand the business and bring on more clients through this basic coaching offer. Then the next exciting update is essentially YouTube reached out and sent us all an email saying we can have like a membership subscription base on YouTube and members can get exclusive perks. And I thought, why not create this and give this a go? So there's an option. If you guys are on your computer, you should be able to go down and see a join button next to this video. And there will be an option for you to join the channel as a member, as a Pectus Warrior. That's going to be the membership name. And that's going to give you some exclusive perks. So for example, you'll get an icon, you get like a Pectus Warrior membership badge associated with your name on YouTube. You have access to exclusive emojis like the Pectus Warrior emoji, the flexing emoji. You get exclusive members only content first. So if I'll post things in the community, there's a community section on YouTube now and you get access to that as an exclusive Pectus Warrior member. For example, I just made a post in the community asking members for video suggestions that they want me to make a video on. If it's a video I have not already made, then I will 100% make that video. If you have signed up to be a Pectus Warrior member, you're supporting me and the channel in that way, then any video you guys want me to talk about in relation to pectus, if I haven't already covered it, I will 100% make a video. So that's an example of some of the exclusive perks you can get as a member. Also priority comment reply. I know I don't reply to all the comments on YouTube. I get a lot. It's all of my videos I've ever made actually get a lot of views, and I'm running this business, replying to everyone's emails, coaching people, programming, and replying to all the comments on YouTube, sometimes a bit of a far fetch. But for members, for Pectus Warrior members, you will 100%, any comment you have will 100% be my priority reply. So it just gives you guys an option to support me more and get some cool little exclusive perks. And so that's that. Now the next exciting update for PectusPT is I have made a PectusPT Espanol channel. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is I've got one of my best friends. He is from Argentina, so he's Spanish speaking, and I've trained with him throughout the last couple years and taught him a lot, and he's going to be taking on a Spanish version of PectusPT. So for all you guys who speak in Spanish and have been saying, I get this comment basically daily, can you make these videos in Spanish, add subtitles? And now I'm going to have a PectusPT Espanol channel. It's going to be all in Spanish. I'm going to be remaking my videos with a Spanish voiceover, and I'm really excited to be able to go into that Spanish market. So if you are, Spanish speaking, check out PectusPT Espanol. Link is in the description. Subscribe to that because a bunch of content is about to be coming there. The first video, which is going to be like 20 minutes of informative content about fixing pectus without surgery in Spanish, will be posted very soon. So make sure you're subscribed and that video will be coming soon. Anyway, guys, thank you again for the support. Just a little update video, and I'm looking forward to seeing some Pectus Warriors join the channel. and get some exclusive benefits. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next video. Got some good content coming soon.